All you had to do was stick to your goal, but you chose not to. It's almost 2025 now. What you gonna do now? If you think next year will be different, you're damn right. It's gonna be the same with a different year date in it. All it takes is for you to put in some work, some hustle, but you are just too lazy to put in the effort, at least for a few hours a day. But no, you have to watch anime. Oh, that web series? Nah. I need to watch that stream, bro. Oh, that game, well, that ain't gonna help you anyway, and you know it. You now regret the time you spent doing a bunch of BS. You know it might feel good at the time, but the hard stuff only feels good after it's done, not the easy ones. Imagine you had a clone who could do anything for you. Would you let him be lazy watching a bunch of BS content? Or would you swear at him and tell him to do the work? Because you know he has potential. But why not you? Why can't you just put your head down and work? Oh, you don't know me, bro. I have this, and that.
That's a question.
Oh, bullshit. You don't get girls because you're a pussy, and you know it. Because you spent another year doing nothing, running after girls, still thinking, I'll escape the Matrix. Fuck the Matrix when you can't even forget that bitch. So how can we ensure next year? Yes, you are right. Next year, 2025, we have to change it. No more regret. Spending time regretting is another form of laziness. So now we gotta figure it out on how can we fix your life? Because you are just a victim of your own action. Don't you say it's society, it's parents, it's that girl who broke your heart. It's not even about your age. These are all the limitations society, the Matrix, want to instill in you. So now you first have to go through the first step. So the first step is to take full accountability for your action. Yes, you are right. You are just too irresponsible of your own action. You're gonna say, oh, my parents don't let me do business. Yeah, I get it. But why would they? Did you achieve anything, or did you give them any reason to do so? You betrayed their trust. Forget their, even yours. You say you're gonna do it, then you don't. Stop scamming yourself and start elevating. When you say you're gonna hit the gym, you hit the gym no matter what. That's how it works. Then you need a goal. So you first need to know the destination to where you're going. Then you set the goals towards it. Let's say you need to learn that skill. You learn it because now you know what you need. So now pull up the notes page or anything to write your goal. What skill do you need? What books do you need to read? What relationship do you need to do? Etc., etc. Then you have to understand failure. Problem in the way is inhabitable. It gon' happen. It's the part of the way. Third is consistency. Without a goal, you will not start. But without consistency, you will not finish. So consistency, it's important in order to get what you want. Also, on the way, you might be staying consistent, but nothing changes, right? Then what? You are just in the process. Now let's say you stay consistent, but you don't grow and improve. What's the use? So you gotta improve your skills time by time. So that was it for today, guys. Let me know what you think and what you're gonna do next year. For this last couple of days, I would like you to leave everything behind and change the way you think. I get it. It's the last year Christmas, so enjoy. But once it's 2025, y'all gonna grind with me. I'm your host, YEAR-2025. Keep grinding. I'll see you next time.